Welcome. Today, we are exploring a statistical concept called interpolation. It is a powerful tool for making predictions, but specifically for predicting within a range of data you already have. So, what exactly is interpolation? Imagine you have a set of known data points. Interpolation is the process of estimating a new data point that lies somewhere in between those existing points. It is like connecting the dots and then picking a point on that connecting line. It is crucial to understand the difference between interpolation and its counterpart, extrapolation. Interpolation is estimating something inside the range of your data, which is a safe and reliable guess. Extrapolation, on the other hand, is predicting something outside of that range, which can be risky and often inaccurate. The reason interpolation is considered a safer bet is because it's grounded in observation. You are making a prediction within a known start and end point. You are not assuming that a trend will continue forever, which is a common trap when we predict far into the future. Let's think about a simple, real-world scenario. Suppose you measure the height of a small plant on day 3 and again on day 7. Using interpolation, you could make a very reasonable estimate of the plant's height on day 5, which falls right in the middle of your measurement period. Now, let's look at the danger of the alternative. If you use that same growth data to predict the plant's height on day 20, you might get a ridiculous number. That's because the plant's growth will naturally slow down. Extrapolation fails to account for this and assumes the initial, rapid growth continues, leading to an unrealistic prediction. The most common and straightforward type of interpolation is called linear interpolation. It works by assuming there is a straight line connecting your two known data points. The formula helps you find the exact value of your unknown point y based on its position x along that straight line. Interpolation is incredibly useful in many fields. It is used for filling in gaps in data, estimating values from sensor readings taken at different times, making charts look smoother, and even in digital photography when you resize an image. So let's recap the most important points. First, interpolation is a safe and reliable way to estimate unknown values within your data range. Second, be very cautious with extrapolation, as it can lead to big errors. And finally, always be aware of your data's boundaries. For the most accurate predictions, always stay within the range of what you have observed.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.